their pizza. Oh no. He's not pizza. They got some donuts.
Blueberry
This one. Yep. But I don't care. Oh, she's looking money. No, only one person on the boat at a time.
Fine, I got the other boat.
Got him. Oh, you missed him. Oh, you got him? No, you missed him.
No, he's on.
Really?
Yeah. No. Oh, he was on.
Yeah, he was.
I lost my rod again.
We try to catch him. Oh, he's right there. Got him. Yeah, he's big. Oh, he's really big. Yeah, he's a good one. Holy crap. This is why you need braid, boys.
You won't break your rod.
This thing won't break. This thing won't break.
I don't know how that didn't break.
Holy moss.
Is it that big?
Yeah, it's a good one.
Like 3?
Yeah. No, it's not that big, but
And then just get all the moss off it.
that's a chunk, dude. Calm down. Jesus. I think she's good. She'll find her way. Do you see one? Got him? Keep reeling. Reel. As fast as you can. That's a little chunker. Is it a good one?
I have no idea. It's like a 2.
Yeah.
Not quite 2.
Yeah, 1.5. They're always fat in here. It's hard. There we go. Ooh, baby.
Dude, you took my boat.
Sorry.
You said 1 thing.
Got him.
Oh. You a good one?
Yeah.
No, it's... Oh, yeah, it's good.
Got him. Yeah, it's another chunk. Yeah, baby. Another chunk, dude. Look at that.
See that?
Smoke that frog.
Give him a toss out there.
Yeah.
Oh, I already got halfway through.
We're good. Okay. Got him.
Oh, he came up. Nope.
No, he's on. Crank. Oh, it's a good one, yeah. Oh, that's a giant.
Oh.
That's a 4.
Dude.
That's 4. Yeah, that's a 4.
I got the scale's in my bag. Yeah, let's get a scale. Where do you put the scale in my bag? The front pocket?
Oh, he's not 4.
Not quite 4?
3.7.
3.7? Alright, let me get a pick.
Almost a 4-pounder. Holy dink, Nolan.
God damn it.
Got one. Oh, it's a good one. Get the net.
Hey, yep.
Yes. It's a good one. It's about the same size as that first one that I caught. 3.5, 3. It's about a 3-pounder. Big mouse on him. Good for the... 100% hook up today. Haven't missed a fish. Got him. Dinker. No, that's a dinker. Right on the brush pile. Got another one.
Oh my god.
This one might be a good one. No, it's a dink. It's a super dink. Little guy. There we go. Oh, it's a good one. Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah, get the net, get the net, get the net. Yeah, it's a big one. I think. Yeah, it's a good one. Oh, it's a giant. It's a giant, it's a giant. Oh my god. That is a toad, dude.
Let me see it.
Oh my god.
Bigger than mine.
That is a toad. 3.8. 3.79.
What?
3.79. I beat you by 1/10 of a pound. Oh, there's one. Oh shoot, my drag. Ah. No, it's a dink. Well, I don't know, actually. Yeah. It's not a bad one. Oh, jeez, it is a good one. I couldn't tell my...
Touch my...
I-
Is that on this I don't know.
That's such a chunk. See, big girl?
Are these all lines from you?
Oh,
that
was my-
dope. That was dope.
Holy crap.
Oh.
Is that a good one? Oh, that's a 3.
Dude, that was pretty.
That's 2. It's probably 2.5.
That was dope.
That was sexy.
You were rolling that thing in. He hit it twice too. He missed it the first time.
He hit it right at the boat?
Yeah. I was reeling it in. Let me weigh this. Can I weigh this one?
No, that's not gonna compete. It's got like 2.5. It's probably like 2.5. That's not gonna compete, Nolan. You're not gonna compete with the Senko.
Look at this.
There's one. Got him. Oh, that's a good one. That's a toad. Oh my god, it's a giant. Get the net, get the net, get the net.
No one.
It's a 5.
Okay.
Grab the net, please. Oh shoot. It's a giant, dude.
Oh.
Get her in the net. Oh shoot. Yes!
Oh.
That's a giant.
That's a 4.
Oh my god. That's an easy 4. Ah. Dude, that is a freaking toad. Oh my god. 4. Yeah. 410. 410, baby. It's a giant. Look at that. Toad. Let's let Big Mama go here. Back in the deep. Got one.
Oh, we tripled up.
Oh, mine's a mega dink.
All of
Holy crap, they just get bigger. Look at, they get bigger down the line.
no pick.
I told you. That's a good one. It's a good one. Yeah.
I told you. They start all the beginning.
It's big. It's 2.
Should we just go back and work this full shore again?
No. It might be.
I saw him. He's not that big.
Yeah, he might just be chill.
Yeah, it's a little guy.
Oh no, that's.
Oh, that is a good one.
I got one too.
That's a hog. It's a 3.
Let's get away on this guy.
It's
I
not
know,
gonna. It's not gonna compete.
Yeah, I know. Well, it might be a 3.
It's a 3. Yeah. Maybe. Here, we'll throw him on the scale.
I need to get a picture. God, I haven't got one picture all day.
Because you don't catch hogs. You should admit it, Nolan.
How much fish do you think we caught today?
Should I just not put that in the videos and it looks like you just catch dinks? Fishy.
It might be that one.
Oh, that's Tank.
God damn it, that was the one I had.
That's Tank. Oh, stay down. Oh, wait, no, it's not. I thought it was a big one. She must have been in the moss. Or in the weeds. I thought it was a big one. Look at that fatty.
Oh.
Oh, big one? Is it? 100%?
Hey, I got one.
Double up.
Oh.
No one's is a tank.
I know it's a dinker.
Nolan.
It fought so hard.
Dude, this one actually fought really hard.
Yeah.
No one will ever beat me. I'm the hog master. There's one. Oh, it's a crappie.
Really?
Woo! Another slab.
That one's not huge.
He hit the craw. What the heck?
Well, it's not as big.
That's not huge. That's
It's
like
not as big as,
13.
like, the one